So, as we are seeing that the market is not reacting directly to the war, and we are seeing that the market is overall increasing despite the the war situations going on. And we can also see we are getting the bounce from the lower level. So it's not clearly reflecting what exactly happening with the economy, with the exactly happening with the geopolitical region. So if we drive deeper into the technical part, we can see that the prices has almost completed the five-wave impulsive move. We can even see clearly in the red wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been clearly completed, where the fifth wave, red fifth is in the formation of the lead ending kind of a diagonal, where we can see the internal structure is also 3-3 kind of a structure. I will try to mark this in the chart also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and almost kind of a 1, 2, 3. So the internal structure is also like a five-wave, three-wave structure, and we have completed the ending diagonal kind of a pattern. Suppose that I don't think so that we are going for a deeper correction, because after completion of fifth wave, we should get something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like kind of a bigger correction. That might be in the formation ABC, or might be in the formation WXY or NC, or like anything. But the overall the structure that we are currently getting is not a sharp impulsive fall. So this is something is questionable, that are we like really going to crash in this current situation, or the market is just reacting to the current situation. But I don't think so the market is going to crash sharply. So if you look at the if you look at the deeper into wave count, so post the completion of fifth wave, I can see that the first count that we got in the SPX 500 is a three-way fall. As I can mark this in a chart as well. So this could be a three-way fall, and this could be counted as a W. And then we got a connecting wave as an X. But this structure is in the hourly is clearly a five waves fall. So I have to let me switch toward the hourly time frame to give you a better clarity. So yeah, I was talking about we have completed the fifth wave over here, and after the fifth wave we got this WXY kind of a structure, where the internal also are the WXY only. Then we got a connecting wave as an X, and after that we got a five wave impulsive decline, and post that currently we are in the correction for this five wave decline. This five wave decline I have marked this as an A in blue color, and now we are going for the formation of B wave. So yeah, and currently we are in the formation of B wave, which so A versus C. I made a mistake. Sorry. So it's WXY only, but yeah. So as I was saying that we are in the formation of we have completed the formation of A wave, and now we are in the correction phase, and now we are in this kind of a zigzag kind of a structure, where we are not zigzag actually, we are at the formation of a running flat, and post the A, that B is forming some kind of a flat correction, mostly the running flat, and the market is expected to reach till 6,890 kind of a level, and maybe 7,000 kind of level. So this 100 point is a level kind of a zone is there, which can be marked as a major resistance zone or a box kind of a zone. Over there we can find some selling opportunities with the downside target of approximately 6,700 followed by 6,600. Post that, I don't think so we are going to get far more deeper correction than this. But as far as the price has made, and based on the current wave count, I can see the price should not go beyond the 6,600. So if one is looking for any long position, can wait till 6,600, and if you want to make a short position, you can look at near 6,890 and 7,000 kind of a level. That would be perfect place for the short. So yeah, overall this would be structure in the hourly also, and daily also. We are not going deeper for the correction. We are just going for the WX5, because if we are going for a deeper correction, we should have formed a five-way impulsive decline that we haven't formed yet. Looking at the RSI also in the daily time frame, so RSI is also not going anywhere. It's just consolidating between these ranges. So nothing has been clear from the RSI RSI end as well. Quickly, if you look at the VIX, uh, look at the Indian, sorry, US VIX. So US VIX is also, it's not doing much. It's trying to, it's got rejected from their previous resistance. So I don't think so. The VIX is also trying to indicate anything, but I mean, the VIX tried to usually increase, but it got rejected from the higher levels only. So the thing on the VIX side as well. So yeah, overall, this would be the structure on the the counts on the WXY, and the overall view remains the sell on bounce, where you can whenever you get the rejection from this blue box kind of a zone, you can create some short position with target of this black box, which could be somewhere around 6,600 at the at the aggressive level, and on the safer level it would be 6,740 kind of a level.